Hello guys, my name is Vinay. In this video I am going to show you how your website will look as an Android app. This is the demo website. I am going to show you all the features that I have integrated in this app. If you have any website and want to make Android app for it, then this is the best option for you. As you can see, the UI navigation is smooth. This will help you to retain your user attention. It supports Google AdMob. As you can see at the bottom, this is a Google AdMob banner ad. We have also integrated Google interstitial ad. After some number of clicks, the Google interstitial ad will be shown. We will do all AdMob integration part for you. This is called interstitial ad. If you want a higher CPC rate, then Google interstitial ad is a good option for you. In the app menu option, there is a home button which will redirect you to the home page. In share option, you can share your app in various social media apps. We can change menu as per client requirement. There is also a rate button through which user can rate your app on the Play Store. Mobile market is the growing market, and these days most people spend their time in the mobile. There is also social media button inside the app so that your user will connect you through your social media account. Here is the some shortcut menu option we can integrate as per your demand. It will also detect the internet connection. When there is no internet, user will get notified with a message and image. When the internet connection is back, it will automatically detect the internet connection by swipe to refresh option available. Rate your app is the most important part of your app. It will help you in your Play Store ASO. Any changes you make in your website will be automatically reflected in your app. We have also integrated star rating dialog box. It will prompt your user to rate. As I told you earlier, rating is the most important part of your app and you don't want to miss out it. We will also guide you throughout the whole process of ASO. ASO is nothing but the SEO for the Play Store. We will also guide you through the app submission process of the Play Store. This is the floating action button, which is transparent also, so that user will not get distracted by it. To send the notification to user, we have to put title message here. This is how our notification will look. We will upload the image here. If we scroll down, then we can give the priority for it is normal or high. We can schedule the notification or send it immediately. We can also select the target group of people to send the notifications. I will send the immediate notification to show you the working. Let me clear all previous notifications. When I click this send button, the notification will arrive within a second. We got our notification here. So if you are interested, then do check the below description of this video. Visit our website. If you want to check your website that how it will look in the Android WebView app, download our app to test. We are looking forward to work with you. Thank you.